Dumpster rental service in North Carolina. Are you looking for a dumpster rental service in North Carolina? Dumpster Pro North Carolina is your trusted provider for fast, reliable, affordable dumpster rentals. Whether you're working on a home renovation, clearing out clutter, or handling a large-scale construction project, we have the perfect dumpster. Our dumpsters are designed to protect driveways from damage while making waste disposal easier than ever. We offer multiple dumpster sizes to accommodate any project, big or small. Our rentals are ideal for residential and commercial customers alike. At Dumpster Pro North Carolina, we believe in simplifying dumpster rental. That's why we provide clear pricing with no hidden fees, so you know exactly what to expect. If you're unsure which size is needed, our friendly team will help you choose the best dumpster for your project. With our reliable service and commitment to customer satisfaction, you can count on us to make your cleanup hassle-free. Decluttering shouldn't be a hassle. Dumpster Pro North Carolina offers fast service, great prices, and a cleaner space. Don't let waste pile up, let us take care of it for you. Call 984-341-2939 today to schedule your dumpster rental.